Hey, how's it going? Are we good? Just checking in to see how it's going because it's been a little different on this page. If you don't follow me, hi, I'm a cook named Matt. But if you do, then you might have noticed that it's just kind of different right now. I'm not doing much like short form. I'm doing more just casual, long form, stuff that I want to do, true to me. And the kitty is hungry, so she's meowing. Yeah, just kind of stuff that I want to do and is like true to me. And I'm having fun with it. I'm having a lot of fun. And I'm starting to get more into it. So I'm doing usually Mondays through Fridays, but I think now I'm gonna change it to probably like Thursdays through Sundays because it looks like most of you are online Saturdays and Sundays. Correct me if I'm wrong. Are you? I don't know. When do you watch videos mostly? I feel like people watch videos at nighttime and weekends, it looks like. So that's gonna be the posting schedule. I'm gonna still do the 5 days a week. Maybe I'll up it to 7 days a week. We'll see how it goes. But I'm still just gonna keep doing this whole more casual, laid back, what I wanna do, not like short form virality, attention grabbing bullshit. And hope you enjoy it. That's it. That's all I got for you. There's no video today. I'm gonna film French fries when I wake up. So